Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss how to construct time series graphs using Google Sheets. So going back to our Google Sheets Scratch page, you'll see here that I have two columns of data. The first is my time data. Here I'm looking at time in seconds, but it could be any numeric time value. If you're plotting years, you could put in a year value here, 2014, 2015. If you are talking about months, um, you want to make sure that you're labeling them clearly. So you can label your months 1 through 12, you can label them January through December, but pick one type of label and be consistent. And then the second column is the variable that we are measuring over time. In this case, I'm looking at distance traveled by an object in feet versus time in seconds. So this first row represents an object that at time 0 seconds, so this is the time we start our stopwatch, is at 0 feet travel. They haven't moved yet. At 1 second, they've traveled 5.2 feet. To graph this, we're going to highlight these columns. So click in the upper left and drag down, and then insert chart. And much like our other graphs that involve playing connect the dots, Google correctly guesses we want a line, but doesn't show the dots. So we open the customize menu inside the chart editor. We go down to series, and then under format, we go down to point size and select a point size. Again, I prefer the 7 pixel. It's just about right on my screen. You're welcome to play with that and see what looks best on your screen. You will notice, because in our original data, we have column labels. Those column labels show up as axis labels in our graph. If we did not provide those column labels in our chart, if we open up that chart editor, under customize, there is an option for chart and axis titles. So I can come to this drop-down menu and select horizontal axis title and modify that if I want. All right, so that's all we need to know about doing time series graphs in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.